All right, so we found a giant dirt hill. We're attempting to hill climb it. Here I come. There's a sledge. Two-wheel drive sledge right now. No, I'm flipped. And he's stuck because he's two-wheel drive. All right, here I go again. Oh. No! Thank you. No! I'm on the other side of the fence. Here comes the sledge. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, right at me. There we go. And we're high center. Two-wheel drive. Nice. I got you. Nice. Ow. Ow. Well, now there's not a wall there. No, it's not. Definitely.
Okay guys, if you buy anything off of our website, such as our t-shirts, hats, or anything, you get automatically entered to win a brand new red sledge. So go check out lifeofballin.com and get yourself entered today.
Come on. There we go. Keep fighting, baby. Did you get hit by the rock? No, no. We made it, but at what cost? His nipple. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Thank you. Seems to not be driving. Yep. Almost. Come on, butthole. Nice. Low and slow gets it. Low and slow. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. It's like a, whoa. It's like, that thing flew. No, you're good.
I didn't know it was gonna go that far.
No, you're good. I don't know where it went. Yeah, I don't know what these little things are.
Somebody in construction can tell us.
Whoa! See, it's like a disc flying right at you. Yeah, the throwing star.
Somebody in construction tell us what these are.
Woo! I don't know. Please tell us. I'm trying to go low and slow. Wow, you did it. Little bit bigger sledgehammers must work. Yes! Yes! We got it! We're king of the hills. It's pretty nice up here.
No, I gotta go down. I gotta go backwards.
I'll help you.
I just hit low power mode right there.
Oh no. Oh, that's what's going on. I'm in low power mode. I was like, why is my... Maybe I'm overheated. I don't know. Yeah! Oh! There's a rock in my shoe and I stepped right on it. Low power mode. All right, we're about to send the X-Maxx to outer space. Ow. Yeah. Uh-oh. It still landed it. No, it didn't. The dirt hills are fun though. I think that pinion's coming off, you can hear it.
Are you using oxide?
Yeah. We're over here. The hill climbs would be easy with this thing. All right, here we go. Hill climbing with the X-Maxx. Nothing. Big girl, no. Big girl down. There's the pinion.
That was fun.
That was fun.